This is building 108, unit number 5 at Meadow Ridge. It's one of the largest units down on the cul-de-sac. This particular unit does have tile as you come in the entryway, which is a nice feature. You do come into the living room, and right off on the left-hand side you have a coat closet for your coats and boots and shoes and so forth. And it does have a nice big living room with a nice wood laminate. And the kitchen is in the back. You do have this little breakfast bar. You can put bar stools there, most people do. You have plenty of kitchen cabinets, double stainless sink, built-in microwave, 5-burner stove. The refrigerator does have a built-in ice maker. And it is nice and open. It's an open concept, so you can see all the way through. And then you have tile again at the back door that goes out onto the deck. Pretty good sized deck. Has snow on it right now, but you have the privacy screen. And it's pretty quiet out here. And then over here there's a door that goes down into the basement. There's a full basement, so there's plenty of room for storage. The washer dryer hookup is down here as well. Right over here. Pretty clean and dry. Again, plenty of room for storage. And then it is a walkout basement, so you do have a door that goes out, actually goes out under the deck. So some people are storing some things under here, things that can be kept outside. So again, lots of room for storage. And then back upstairs. Stairs are nice and wide too, so it's easy to get things in and out. Not too steep. And there's plenty of room in the kitchen, so you could have an island. It is an eat-in kitchen. You could have a table and chairs. So pretty decent size. There is a thermostat downstairs and upstairs for temperature control on both levels. The only place there's carpet is on the stairs, basically for sound control. And then you have a linen closet up here. This is the second bedroom. Pretty good size. I would definitely take a queen size bed. Here's the closet. It does go all the way down to the other corner. And here's the guest bathroom. This does have 2 full baths. Granite countertop. Tile floors. And then this is the master bedroom. Again, a full bath. And it's a nice big bedroom. Will easily take a king-size bed and king-size bedroom set. It does have a double closet. That closet does go all the way through, so you have 2 doors, but that's an entire closet on that wall. And then again, you have your temperature control for the upstairs right over here. So that concludes the tour of Building 108, Unit number 5 at Meadow Ridge. If you want to contact us, you can do so at rentbangor.com or 207-974-6606.